Welcome to ThatBuildGuy's new YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about this little beast, this little rig I am currently building and tearing down and rebuilding and well, basically just optimizing whatever I can, doing some cool stuff. I love wrenching on little stuff like this and big stuff. Later on this channel you'll see me rebuild some big size motorcycles and cool stuff like that. Cars, big cars, full size cars, engine rebuilds, you know, stuff like that. So there will be a time lapse in just me doing some little stuff about on this car. I also ordered some new parts like angel eyes for the Jeep body, a light bar. So I'll just replace these fake ones with a real one. I'll have fake snorkel just to look cool. What else I ordered? Oh yeah, ordered some super expensive boom racing crate 1-inch Terra B-block wheels because I've been using these hobby parts, I think they're called, B-block wheels, which they're good for the price, but they got these little screws on the back, you know, and when you're running the brass wheel weights, the screws interfere, so the hex will not fully engage. So that was a big expense, those wheels, but they look super cool and I'm really looking forward to them coming. They're gonna make the truck look really cool. Also, I ordered a new, ordered the aluminum and carbon fiber mount for the Komodo, the FuryTech Komodo motor. Komodo motor, yeah, that's cool. Because this is just the plastic piece that comes with the conversion combo with the Tegu mainboard. Excuse me, I have to burp. Well, no, I didn't. Well, I had to, but I didn't burp. So, yeah. Also ordered the FuryTech lighting kit, which I intend to, because the Tegu mainboard has got a little port for LEDs, and you see this little Bluetooth unit right here. It means that you can pull up an app on your phone and adjust all kinds of stuff, from motors, from throttle curves to battery shut off to startup in initial startup punch. Well, there's a lot of stuff you can adjust, is what I'm trying to say. And there's also a LED control on there, so I intend to combine that FuryTech lighting system, because it's got a proprietary plug into the angel eyes and the light bar, so I can control everything on the app on the phone, which I think would be really cool. I have also ordered, let me see, what else have I ordered? I ordered a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm not sorry. Like my grandma used to say, wind and water has to have its way. Well, in Norwegian it sounds a lot better, but you get the drift. Full set of rubber seal ball bearings, aluminum gearbox housing, yeah, as I said, the lights and a new servo horn, because as you've seen in the previous videos, I've been using this generic white, yeah, I guess, I don't know if it's Delrin or if it's just some kind of, I think it's just some normal plastic. But yeah, a new servo horn, which I hope fits. It's very hard to find a 21 tooth servo horn for the miniature Savox servo. So, well, enough talking. I don't think... oh, and I also ordered some new steel axles for the rear, because I would have ordered the front ones as well, but they're out of stock. So I will have to get those as soon as they're back in stock. And yeah, I'll shut up and let the time lapse begin. I think this will look much better with the angel eyes, and I also have to put some LEDs in the fog light position. I didn't think about that. Either that or maybe... I gotta figure something out for that. Either way, I would say that looks a lot better with the flipped bumper conversion, like just flipping the bumper mounts. I would say that looks a lot better. Then when we get the lights installed and with the light bar, and yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock on.